Hello, good evening, all of you. I can see Shweta Mukherjee. Shweta, yes. Welcome, dear children, to the live channel. Yes, welcome you all. Good evening. So, all of you are ready for the session? Yes. Okay, so all of you must be eagerly waiting for today's session of Science Olympiad previous year questions. I know it's a high time all of you are done with your school exams or they are still in process, and Olympiad dates are also there. NSO date has already come. It is on 19th December. Many of the students are having on 19th, but since it is online this time, so dates are spread till December or January. They are going till the end of January. So maximum children, I heard it is on 19th December, and during my Olympiad champ batches, they requested for the revision of the previous years. For any exam, to excel in any exam, it is important to do last 5 years, 10 years papers. Even when you are prepared for the JEE exam, then also we always tell the children that do last 10 years papers. So when you're appearing for the Olympiad, see the syllabus of the Olympiad is the same as you do in the school, whether you're in CBSE or ICSE. But the types of question asked are little tricky, twist, and lot of content to read so that you get puzzled. They puzzle you. So it tests your accuracy with speeds. In 60 minutes, you have to attempt 50 questions. First 15 questions are of mental ability. Mental ability, you are already doing it with Ravjot sir. Most of the times he's there on the everyday, almost on the YouTube sessions, and lot many sessions you can see of his on YouTube, Ravjot sir of mental ability. So I'm coming up with your science Olympiad questions of year 2019. First 15 questions are mental ability and question number 16 to 32 are of science. So your question number 1 comes over here. Before going to question, I would like to suggest that just let me look for my pen, the soft pen. Just wait a second. Yes. Three life rules, remember, if you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. So, unless and until you aspire, you will not fulfill your dream. If you do not ask any of the queries, your answer will remain no. When you ask, then only you will be getting the answer to any of your queries, to any of your doubts. If you don't step forward, you will always be in the same place like the stagnant water. So if you're ranking up at, say, 10th in class, and you don't work hard and you don't move step up forward, you will remain at 10th only. You will not move to rank 5. So here, we don't say that run behind the ranks, but yes, we should give our best to get the best. So question number 16, the first question of the day, question number 16 of year 2019. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Lift, escalator and crane all use pulleys to function. So in your notebook, you can write down whether it is correct or not correct, right? A pulley is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point. A pulley is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point. Now it is asked, both statements 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So आपने पहला था कि pulleys are used in lift and escalators. So whether it is true or false. Second था pulley is a rod. Is it true or false? So जिसमें आपको लगता है कि both statements 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false, and both statements 1 and 2 are false. I've started getting the answers. I know, yes, many children are giving me the correct answer, and the correct answer is statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. It is true that lift escalator work on pulleys, but pulley is not a rod. Pulleys are the mechanisms composed by wheel and rope used to lift heavy objects into tall heights. It is composed. Next, question number 17. A glass ball initially rolling at a constant speed. Yes, a glass ball Yes, a glass ball constantly constantly rolling at a constant speed moves up a smooth slope as shown in the figure. Which of the following options is true about its energy as it rolls up the slope? As it rolls up the slope. Yes. I'm looking at it. There's Saksham Saxena is there, Shweta Mukherjee, Harsh, Ashish Gupta. Yes. Which of the following options is true? A ball is rolling here and it then goes up the slope. What will happen to its kinetic energy and potential energy? Kinetic energy remains same, potential energy decreases. Kinetic energy increases, but potential energy remains same. Kinetic energy decreases, potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases and potential energy decreases. हमें पता है बहुत मजे आने वाला है, जल्दी जल्दी आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. Yes, which of the options is correct? Harsh Yadav, Pavni, then Mudit, hello, Shweta. Options are there. Yes, you can see the options. Yes, Saksham Saxena is right. Right, Saksham, right. Yes, Sanjeev, Bansal, C option. Oh my God. Oh my God. All are correct. Option C is correct. Kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. Why it happens so that kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases? Because as the ball moves up, its kinetic energy decreases as the velocity decreases. Kinetic energy ka formula is half mv square and the net amount of energy has to be conserved. Energy can be transformed from one form to another, but it cannot be destroyed. So when the object is moving, energy due to motion is kinetic energy, energy due to position is the potential energy. As it is climbing up the slope, the kinetic energy is changing into potential energy because the increase in height is taking place. So right. So Aparna Tiwari, you were also right. Pavni, you were also right. And now comes the next question in front of you. Yes, all of you. Aparna Tiwari, Shweta Mukherjee. Okay, Shweta Mukherjee, I am Pranoy, not Shweta. Okay. Enter your correct name. Yes. Sanjeev Bansal, ma'am, will everyday session will be there? Yes, almost every day except for Sundays. So now your question number 18 is, which of the following statements are correct? These questions will be very helpful for you. In these 6 days, we will be doing nearly 150 questions, and I know all of you will be the champions of your zone. Which of the following statements are correct? सबसे पहले तो देखना हमें correct बताना है कि incorrect. और जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ते जाएंगे हम उसके आगे लिखते जाएंगे correct or not correct. Sit with the paper and pen. Human body is a good conductor of electricity, right or wrong? The air gap surrounding electric circuit acts as a conductor, right or wrong? Silver conducts electricity better than copper, right or wrong? When electricity lights up a bulb, no heat is produced. So आप अपने notebook में note करके रख लो कि which of the points are correct in this, right? So I am getting to the next slide where the options are given. Should I move to the next where the options are given? And children have started giving me the options. Ashish Gupta, Dharya, yes. So which of the options is correct? Which of the options is correct? Okay, somebody is writing 1 and 3. Saksham is writing 1 and 3. Okay. अब आपको इसलिए इजी लगता है क्योंकि हम पिछले 5 महीनों से ओलंपियाड्स पढ़ रहे हैं. Yes, it is correct. Option A is correct. So, my dear children, all 27 have given me the correct answer almost. Why? Let us see. Human body is a good conductor of electricity. The air gap surrounding electric circuit does not act as a conductor. Silver conducts electricity better than copper, true. And when electricity lights up a bulb, it gets heated up. So it is wrong. Very true. So we move on to the next. Harsh, Dharya, Rajiv, okay. Ashish Gupta, Prabnavi, Harsh, very good. So enjoying the live session? Yes, every day we were having the classes. Today you are coming YouTube live. That's very good. Great. Next, and today I want to see more number of students. Okay, in the class we always have 58 to 100 children, and today, Yes, just now I can see 26 students are there. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Underline the word incorrect. Which of the following are incorrect? A bag placed below the seat of the moving bus. Remember Newton's first law of motion? A bag placed below the seat of the moving bus is in motion with respect to the floor of the bus. I told you the law of inertia also, usko yaad kariye, with respect to the floor of the bus. Motion में कब बोलते हैं जब with respect to, otherwise we all are in motion with the earth. But with respect to this wall, with respect to the laptop in front of me, I'm in motion, not in motion. So a bag placed under the seat is in motion with respect to the floor of the bus. Correct or incorrect? While measuring length of an object using a meter scale, use the zero mark even if the ends are worn out. Right or wrong? Incorrect. अगर जीरो मार्क ही नहीं है तो क्या हमें जीरो से काउंट करना है? Blinking of an eye is an example of oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? When an object moves from its mean position to extreme and comes back to mean position, it is called as oscillatory motion, to and fro motion. If a body as a whole moves around in a circular path, the motion is known as revolution. So which of the following statements are incorrect? Saksham Saxena looks to be the winner of the day. Yes, Kartikeya. Yes. So these are the options. I want option A, B, C, D में से क्या होगा? Incorrect. Incorrect. You have to tell. Incorrect. Yes. So I'm not getting the answers. Which ones are the incorrect? Yes. 1, 2, 3 are incorrect. All first three are incorrect. Fourth is the correct one, that if the body is moving in a circle, it is a circular motion. Bag under the seat is at rest with respect to the floor. It is moving with respect to the objects outside the bus, but it is at rest with respect to the floor of the bus. While measuring the length of an object, if zero is worn out, you should be starting it from 1 centimeter, and then you can add upon that. Blinking of eyes is not at all an example of oscillatory motion. Yes. So Sadhna, Harsh, all Sadhna, Kanire, they gave me the correct answer. Very good. Barnita. Yes. So can we proceed to the next question if it is clear? Yes. Okay. Next question. Now, all of you, we have done question number 16, 17, 18 and 19. And now move on to question number 20. Yes. Prabhat Kumar, yes. Shweta, musical, Aruna, Harsh. Okay, Harsh Yadav, thank you. Thank you for your comment. You all have learned a lot in the Olympiad classes. And many of you are also attending NTSC Head Start and the Maths Avengers. Next question comes. The length of the pencil is measured using a ruler as shown in the given figure. So what is the apparent length of the pencil seen by the observer and the actual length of the pencil? Now look here. Yes, look. Okay. Look here. What is the actual length of the pencil? Now see, an apparent means कैसे दिखती है? आप देखो, actual length is starting from 1 and here it's ending at 3.5. So 1 से 2 तक, 2 से 3 तक, and then ending up over here at 4 and 3 से 4 तक. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 millimeters is the, अब you say whether it is actual or it is apparent. And let's move to the next. Now another way, if your eyes are looking over here, then what is the length? See, 5 from here and 3 from here. So now I move on to the next. Yes. Yes. I move on to the next. Apparent length and actual length is how much? Yes. Can I get the options? Apparent length and actual length are how much? Yes. Apparent and actual. Okay. Your name, Saujanya. Bandita Das, you have entered with your mama's name, Saujanya. Hello, Saujanya. Actual length is 30 and apparent length is 38. So I'm getting the option C as the correct option. Very good. C is the correct option because now see how. If you see over here in the diagram, actual length is 30 and apparent is 5 added up from here and 3 from here. So apparent length is 38. Apparent is जो दिखती है ऊपर से वो 38 है, but actually it is 30 millimeters. Right? Actually it is 30. Now, shall we move to the next question? Okay. Shweta Mukherjee, Harsh, option C correct. Prabhat C correct. Very good बच्चे, बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं यहाँ सबके सब कुछ. That means हमने तो ओलंपियाड जीत लिया. Yes, we have won the Olympiad. Okay, let us move to the next. Now you see, read it carefully. Question number 24, 21. जब आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिलता है तो लगता है कितना ज्यादा ब्लॉक बनाकर दे दिया. Okay, it is the question is full of a chart. How to read it, how to do it. You will get only 1 minute for one question. So हम एक एक टॉपिक को पढ़ते जाएंगे, एक एक लाइन को, और अपने पॉइंट्स को रूल आउट करते जाएंगे, क्लिक करते जाएंगे. While doing a science project, Varun classified few things as shown in the table. Right? So हम correct और not correct पे टिक करते चलेंगे, and then we'll see what is asked. Right? Material, copper iron, copper coin. Its appearance is hard. Okay, it is correct. It is transparent. Transparency is opaque. Correct. It floats or sinks in water. Copper coin sinks. Is it soluble or insoluble? It is insoluble. Okay, chapati dough. It is soft. ठीक है. Transparent, no. Sinks. It may be or may not be, depends. So it will sink. And soluble, no. Clear glass. It is hard. Yes. It is transparent. Yes. It sinks. Yes. It is insoluble. All points correct. So in first and third, all points are correct. Cotton ball, it is soft. It is opaque. It floats initially, then sinks. It is insoluble. Wooden cock, soft, opaque. Sinks is wrong. It will float. It is not soluble. Now see which part is having all three correct. First, third, and fourth. So which of the statements are correct? So which is your correct option? Aparjita Mani, check your internet, beta. Aparjita, check your internet connection. Yes. Now, I'm not getting the answers. Yes. Which of the given statements are correct? Yes. Dharya. Click on FS. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Is it okay now? Yes. Which one? 1, 3 and 4. Option D is correct for all. My dear kids, आपके 100% मार्क्स आने वाले हैं ओलंपियाड में. आप different region से टॉपर्स बनने वाले हो. Do you feel children you have gained a lot in these classes? और जब आप ये वाले सेशंस भी कर लेंगे, do you feel you have gained a lot? Yes. अब आपको कोई मुश्किल नहीं लगती ऐसे क्वेश्चंस करने में. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया सक्षम, श्वेता, बनिता, सौजन्य मीन्स and Dharya, very good. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for supporting the session. Yes, Prabhat Kumar, yeah, you're learning a lot. Next question number 22. Depending upon the nature of the constituents present in a mixture, Suhana class 6 student suggested some methods of separation as shown in the table. Let us read the table. Types of mixtures. If solid and solid is there, will it be separated by hand picking or sieving? सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड आपको करेक्ट करते जाना है, फिर हम देखेंगे करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट क्या पूछा. अभी एक तरफ करेक्ट की लिस्ट बनाइए, एक तरफ इनकरेक्ट की. राइट. solid and solid by hand picking and sieving, solid and liquid both are. If one is insoluble, liquid में solid insoluble है, तो क्या हम उसको sedimentation, decantation या filtration से अलग करेंगे? If two liquids are immiscible means they don't mix with each other, क्या हम उसको decantation या separating funnel से separate कर सकते हैं? Yes, very much. Then solid and liquid, they both are soluble. Can we separate them by filtration and decantation? And liquid is miscible, can be separated by distillation. So let's see. Okay, liquid and liquid distillation. Solid and liquid soluble है. Soluble जैसे sugar in water soluble है. क्या हम उसको filtration और decantation से अलग कर सकते हैं? Now see which of the following is incorrect. आपने लिस्ट बना लिया होगा करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट? संजीव कुमार बंसल, मे बी द नेम ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज समथिंग एल्स, इज करेक्ट. वन इज, all are true except for fourth is false. Yes, fourth is D option. Yes. So D option, if we go back, liquid, solid and liquid, they are not separated by filtration or decantation. If it is soluble like salt in water, sugar in water, then they have to be separated either by crystallization or by evaporation, right? Either by crystallization or by evaporation. Yes. Okay, right. Now comes the next question you will have to solve. So get ready with the paper and the pen. A rectangular block of substance X has a length is 10, breadth is 5, height is 2. It's a cubical block and it has got mass as 0.027 kg. Since these are in centimeters, I should change it into grams, and I get it as, when I change it into grams, how much will I get it? 0.027 into 1000, you will get it as 27. And mass of the block, if the density of the water is 1, will this block sink or float? What is the rule for flotation? If the density of the object is less than the liquid, then only it will float in that liquid. So the density has to be less than 1. So density का formula क्या होगा? Density is mass upon volume. Volume कैसे निकालेंगे? आपने मैथ में पढ़ा है, length into breadth into height. Maybe some of the children don't know this. Length into breadth into height. 10 into 5, 50, 52 is a 100 centimeter cube. So density will be mass is 27 grams upon 100. It comes to 0.27 gram per centimeter cube. Now since density is 0.27, it is less than 1, it will float. So some of you calculated the density wrong and you were answering the option D as the correct option. So which of the following option will be correct? Since density is less than 1, it will float. And how much is the density? 0.27 gram per centimeter cube. I hope all of you followed this question. Yes, Pari? Very good. I can see my grade 7th class children also there, and I have a session at 7:30 for 7th class also. So this is correct. Now, but you see, in Olympiads, it is not that कि 6th का question 7th में नहीं आएगा, 7th का 6th में नहीं आएगा. The more you will practice both 6th and 7th, you will be learning more and will be doing more questions correct in your exam. Consider the following phenomena: volcanic eruptions, growth of plants, phases of moon, occurrence of rainbow, rusting of iron, opening of the morning glory. Which of the above phenomena can be classified as non-periodic changes? एक एक करते चलते हैं. Volcanic eruptions, is it periodic or non-periodic? Non-periodic. Growth of plants, non-periodic. Non-periodic means regular interval of time के बाद नहीं हो रहा है. Phases of moon, it happens after regular interval of time, so it is periodic. Occurrence of rainbow, कभी निकलता है कभी नहीं, तो नॉन पीरियोडिक. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन केमिकल प्रोसेस, नॉन पीरियोडिक. ओपनिंग ऑफ मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी फ्लावर, एवरी डे मॉर्निंग हैज टू बी देयर एंड द फ्लावर विल ओपन इन सन, सो इट इज पीरियोडिक. So you have to tell which are non-periodic. It is 1, 2, 4 and 5. So let us see 1, 2, 4 and 5. So which option will be correct? Which option will be correct? Yes, I am looking which option will be correct. Yes, I am waiting for the answers. 1, 2, 4 and 5. Yes, all of you started giving me. Yes, the slide is taking the time to change. You have yet not got it. Yes. Okay, option B is correct. Yes, very good. You deserve an applaud. Applaud all of you. Wonderful. सबको सब कुछ आता है. Okay, come to next question. Geeta, we have reached the midway. 10th question कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Geeta has given some statements about the materials in the box. It is camphor, air, carbon monoxide, water, oxygen, zinc. आप लिख लीजिए सब camphor, air, carbon monoxide, water, oxygen, zinc on a paper. And then you have to tell the statement which is correct about them. Okay. Air is a heterogeneous mixture. Is it right or wrong? Air is a heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Yes. Okay. Aparjita, Dharya, Aparjita Mani. Good. Ananya Bajpai. When is NSO class for 8? Child, there is no NSO class for 8. For 8, we are having NTSC Head Start and RMO batches. For 8th, we have the senior classes. Children learn quite a lot. So Olympiads वो खुद से कर लेते हैं. In NTSC Head Start only, we do so many things with them. Yes. Air is a heterogeneous mixture? No. Water, camphor, carbon monoxide are compounds? Right or wrong? True or false? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Water, camphor, carbon monoxide are compounds? Yes. And zinc and oxygen are elements? Yes. So both B and C are correct. So what should be the answer? Both B and C. What should be the option? Both B and C are correct. Water, camphor and carbon monoxide are compounds and zinc and oxygen are elements. First you're wrong here because air is a homogeneous mixture. We cannot see the different components of the air की oxygen है, ये carbon dioxide है, ये nitrogen है. It is a homogeneous mixture. When we cannot separate out the components, it is called as the heterogeneous mixture. Sorry, homogeneous mixture. Sorry. Yes. So I've started getting the answer. Yes, option D is correct. Very good. Wonderful. Awesome. Now come back to question number 26. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Very nicely you all are participating. So हम लोग 25 minutes में 15 क्वेश्चंस कर देने वाले हैं और इसी से हमारी प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी along with the solutions. So in exams you can do these questions in half a minute. Some commonly occurring changes around us are classified in the given table. Yes, melting of ice cream, is it reversible or physical change? Melting of ice cream is reversible or physical change? It is true or false. Physical change है कि reversible change है? अपनी कॉपी में लिखते चलिए. Yes. Keep on writing it. It's physical or the chemical change. Burning of crackers. Burning of crackers, reversible change? How it can be reversible? यहीं पे काटा लग जाएगा. Stitching of a shirt, reversible? No. Dissolving baking soda in water, but dissolve हो गया carbon dioxide. Gas has come out, so will it be reversible? No. Baking of cake, neither reversible nor physical because it is a chemical change. Curdling of milk, it is reversible? No. Is it a physical change? No. It's a chemical change. So आपने नोट कर लिया. अब क्या बताना है? Which of the above changes are classified incorrectly? Which of the following? आपने नोट कर लिया. Which of them is classified incorrectly? Incorrectly. First was correct. So which option will be there? First, second, third and fourth, all are incorrect. Second, fourth and sixth, only. First, third, fourth and sixth, or second, third, fourth and sixth. Which of the options? Yes, second, third, fourth and sixth. Yes, which are incorrect. So second, third, fourth and sixth are incorrect. If I go back to this, dissolving second, third, fourth and sixth. So baking of cake भी correct था because ना वो reversible है ना वो physical है. So these two options were the correct options and rest two were incorrect. You are right. Option D. Very good. Yes, Varnita, Aparjita Mani, Seema Rani, yes, Shweta Mukherjee. Clap, clap. You're correct. Yes. Applaud for you. Applaud for all the children. Applaud इसलिए भी है क्योंकि आप सब लोग questions कर रहे हैं. Yes. Which of the following substances are having fixed mass, fixed volume, but no fixed shape? Which of the following substances have fixed mass, fixed volume, but no fixed shape? Yes. Aluminium foil, nitrogen, fruit juice, ice, which? Now, fixed mass, fixed volume, but no fixed shape. Fixed mass, fixed volume किसका होता है? Solids का. But no fixed shape किसकी होती है? Liquids की. So, which of the options is correct? Which of the options is correct in this? Fixed mass, fixed volume, but no fixed shape. Aluminium foil, नाइट्रोजन. कुछ बच्चों ने नाइट्रोजन मार्क कर दिया. नाइट्रोजन का तो वॉल्यूम फिक्स हो ही नहीं सकता, गैस है. जब वो सिलेंडर में होगा तो इतनी सी जगह में आएगा और जब उसको रिलीज कर दोगे तो इट कैन स्प्रेड इन द एयर टू एनी एक्सटेंट. So gases never have a fixed volume. So your answer is option C, fruit juice. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. Manoranjan Sahu is correct. Good. Kartikeya is correct. Yes, good, good. Come on. Let's move to the next because we have a next session for class 7th also at 7:30 or maybe it is at 7:40. The properties of four different materials 1, 2, 3 and 4 are listed in the wheel. Fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. First is immiscible with water. Second is hard and lustrous. Third opaque. Fourth liquid. आप note कर लीजिए. First पर immiscible. Note it on the paper. Second पर hard. Third पर opaque. Fourth पर liquid. Note down. First is immiscible with water. Second hard. Third opaque. And fourth liquid. Noted? अब I'll show you the substances. आपने उसके आगे एंटर करते जाना है कि कौन इमिसिबल है, कौन हार्ड है, कौन ओपेक है एंड कौन लिक्विड हेवियर देन वाटर है. यू हैव टू सॉर्ट आउट. ओके. सो इट लुक्स टू बी वेरी जम्बल्ड अप की इतनी सारी चीजें कैसे पढ़े, कहां से देखें. तो हमारा नंबर 2 था हार्ड एंड लस्ट्रस. सबसे पहले आसान वो है ढूंढना. सो चौक हार्ड है, लस्ट्रस है? नो. Leather hard and lustrous and no. Sponge hard and lustrous and no. So metal spoon is hard and lustrous. अब इसके बाकी के आप मैच कर लीजिए क्योंकि हमें वहां पर मिनिमम टाइम में मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट करने हैं. सो हमें रूल आउट करते हुए उस आंसर तक पहुंचना है. Yes, Saksham, you are right. And every time Samriddhi, you are also right. Vasanti Desari is right. Okay, okay, Pari, very good. So most of you are right. Option C is the correct option. Okay. Now, question number 29. We move to question number 29. Arrangement of particles in three different states of water is shown in the figure. See, this is particles close to each other. It will be solids. Yes, Dhairya, you are right. Jay Prakash, Parjita, very good. So now I hope none of you will have fear from the Olympiad examinations. Yes, अगर हमने 5 साल के क्वेश्चन कर ली फिर तो हमारा सारा पेपर राइट होगा और हम सब नेशनल विनर्स आने वाले हैं और सबकी फोटोज यूट्यूब पे रवजोत सर लगाने वाले हैं. Yes, these are solids. Number 3, it is liquids. And number 1, it is gases. Right. Now, remember, 2 is solid, 3 is liquid, and 1 is gas. Let us see what is written about them. Study the figures carefully and select the correct option. I hope you all have written that second is solids, third is liquids, and 1 is gas. State 1 is a gas and can be converted to state 3, means liquid by heating. गैस से लिक्विड हीटिंग से कैसे बन सकता है? करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट? यस, करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट? करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट? इट कैन नॉट बी, बिकॉज उसको कंडेंसेशन से लिक्विड पर आना होगा. स्टेट 3 is a liquid and can be converted to state 1 by cooling. State 3 is a liquid. State 3 liquid था, liquid है, but can be it be converted to gas by cooling? No, liquid has to be converted into gas by heating. State 2 is solid, correct. Can be converted to 3 liquid by heating. करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट अपना नोट कर लीजिए. स्टेट 3 इज अ गैस. स्टेट 3 तो गैस है ही नहीं था, स्टेट 3 तो लिक्विड था. सो इट इज करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट. सो नाउ यू टेल मी which option is correct. Yes, and I've got the answer from Saksha, Bardita. Yes, option C is correct. I've given you the explanation, you can see it. Yes, because state 2 is solid, it can be converted into state 3, that is liquid by heating. Very good. So we move up to the next question. देखो हमने कितनी fast कितने सारे questions किए with all understanding. Now only 30, 31, 32, 3 questions left. देखते हैं किसके सारे correct होते हैं. Read the following statement. Select the option that correctly identifies true and false. जल्दी से true and false लिखते चलेंगे. Yes, come on. Yes, Dharya, I'm getting your answer. Vasanti, Apajita. Right, right, right. Now, read the following statement. Select the option. The number of petals and sepals in a flower is always equal. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Stamens form the female reproductive part of a flower. Petiole is a short stalk that attaches leaf to stem. Calyx and corolla form the essential buds. So true and false लिखते चल रहे हैं. Number 1, number of petals and sepals in a flower is always equal. It is true or false? False, not necessary. Remember, false. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Exactly, they absorb. True. Stamens form the female reproductive part. No, it forms a male reproductive part. Petiole is a short stalk. Yes. Calyx, corolla form the essential walls of the flower. No. Essential walls are endoecium and gynoecium. So which of the options is correct? False, true, false, true, false. So option B is correct. False, true, false, true, false. Yes. We reached to the option B is correct. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Second and fourth form true. Very good, Aparjita. Yahi tha. Yes. Second and fourth are true. Okay. Yes, Sonu, Maheshwari, true. Varnita Das, very good. And I've started getting, be careful when you mark the answer. Yes, Kartiki, you are right. Dharve, you are right. Vasanti, you are right. Aparjita, right. And we move on to the next. Yes. Read the given. Yes, Aparjita, you are right. Now we move to question number 31, second last question. And आप बने रहिए अभी 32 तक, last तक. Read the given statement, select the correct one. There are 10 pairs of ribs in human body. First 7 pairs of ribs are called as true ribs. There up true false लिखते चलिए, correct or not correct. Are there 10 pairs of ribs in human body? Just yes, tell me. First 7 pairs of ribs are called true ribs. Yes, there are 12 pairs of ribs in the human body. Second one is correct. Third, ribs are attached to backbone in the front and to sternum at the back. Ulta de diya. Front में sternum से connected है. And ribs protect the brain. No, ribs protect the lungs. So which is correct? You all are right. You all are right. It is B option is correct. First 7 pairs of ribs are called true ribs because there are 12 ribs in the human body. Very good. So yes, option B is correct. You gave me the correct answer. Correct, correct. Very good. Kartikeya. Yes. And we come to the last question of the day. Last question of the day. Yes. धैर्य, श्वेता, परी, अभी आप लोगों को 7th क्लास का सेशन भी अटेंड करना है क्योंकि आप तो 7th क्लास के बच्चे हो. एंड प्लीज स्प्रेड इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स that all those who have appeared in the Olympiad from tomorrow onwards, they should come live and maximum children should see to it because it will help a lot. and you should see both 6 and 7. Which of the following sets of rocks contains an odd number? Sandstone, shale, conglomerate, slate, marble, limestone, shale, limestone, sandstone, quartzite, gneiss, slate. Remember which are, yes. Remember now just अपने आप को सोचो, like which are metamorphic rocks, which are sedimentary rocks, odd man out करना है आपको. Yes. Have you seen? I hope you have noted down the question. Yes. Noted down. Yes. Let us check the answers. Slate, marble, and limestone. Option B is correct. It's odd man out because slate and marble are example of metamorphic rocks, while limestone is the sedimentary rock. Yes. Okay. Very good. That's very good, Pari. You are doing wonderful work. Amazing, amazing. Saksham. Yes, answer is B. And I think Saksham has got all answers correct. Yes, all answers correct. Okay, okay. So मजा आया. You have done nearly 16 questions. अभी इसके बाद वाले questions रह गए हैं वो हम कल करेंगे, previous year's questions. So thank you so much for being with us. And you should subscribe this channel, and all of you should be revising all the previous year questions and do your best. Wish to see you as the zonal and the national champions. Thank you. Bye bye.